Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Siri, or you can call me Chat or Siri for short. And in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the first Boxycharm box of 2020. This is a January box, and if you want to see what I got in this box, then keep on watching. This box is quite heavy, but is also quite flat. I'm curious what I will get in this box, and now we are gonna find out together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 products in here. So the first product I saw in this box is from Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. I don't know how to say that word. It's a delicate exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrance. Truffle Therapy Face Gommage is a lush formula combining the best of the iconic Mediterranean lifestyle and the luxury Italian spa experience. Ooh, that sounds good. Beauty cabinet staple. The Truffle Therapy Face Gommage features sweet almond oil, gentle apricot seed powder, and our unique and exclusive black winter truffle extract, which has a high concentration of superoxide dismutase, a powerful free radical scavenger that reduces the signs of aging, gently buff away and erase dull, lackluster skin, revealing a more luminous and healthy complexion. With retail for $28, and it's nice and heavy, and it's made in Italy, so that's awesome. So I don't know if you are following my Instagram account, but I recently just did a live of my declutter video, which I told myself that this year I will not buy any of the big palettes, and I will also stop using and stop buying products that is made in China. I have my reasons. So I throw away all the current makeup and skincare or nail polish on hair products that I have that is made in China, but it's not including brushes and eyelash, because I feel like that's like tool is fine, but when it comes to beauty products that it has to contact directly with my skin, I'm a little bit more concerned on that. So this is great that this is made in Italy. Now the second product in here, this is Glow Recipe. The Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. The Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask is a bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that smooths and perfects skin overnight. This pillow-proof formula acts as a radiance-boosting face mask. Formulated with soothing amino acid-rich watermelon extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and pore-refining HA that work while you sleep to gently exfoliate and clarify. And it retails for $22. I have been wanting to try this product, and I'm so happy that I got this. It is super cute, and now I'm gonna see where is this made of. I don't know, but it is 30 ml. I think that this brand is probably made in Korea, if I'm not mistaken. I was trying to look up on my phone, but the signal in this room is shit, so I cannot get anything. But moving on to the next product, I think that this one is called Queen Studio Matte Liquid Lip Satin. If you are a full coverage enthusiast, this matte liquid lip satin is your superhero. Our extremely pigmented formula gives you a true matte finish in one coat with 12-hour performance. It retails for $17. And the shade is called Thick Skin, and it's made in USA, so that's awesome, awesome, awesome. So now let's see what the shade looks like, but it looks a little bit like brick from the sticker. Oh, it's more nude peachy. That should look okay with my complexion. I'm gonna test this out in my next video. And now let's move on to the next product. Next is Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. Ooh, I got a concealer. Undercover Concealer is a lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural flawless finish. Infused with vitamin E and galactorabinin. What's that? To keep skin moisturized and to rejuvenate. Rejuvenate and improve the skin appearance. The Angle Dough Food Applicator is easy to use and precisely applies the velvety soft formula to visibly brighten the complexion and cover dark circles. This blendable long-wearing concealer is great for all skin types. It retails for $25. And the shade I got is 63, the middle ground, which I think that this is gonna be my highlight shade. I will also test this out in, well, let's see what it's made of. Made in USA. Cool. And the last product is from Ace Beauty Eyeshadow Palette. This eyeshadow palette features 12 colors that are reminiscent of beautiful sunrises and sunsets witnessed in various locations around the world. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. It retails for $34.99. Here we go. Made in PRC, which is stand for People Republic of China or something. So no, I won't be using this. I'm gonna put this in a giveaway if you guys don't mind product made in China. But I just want to see what are the color. I think this palette is called Scarlet Dusk. Ooh, it is pretty. But no, I'm not gonna use this. So that is it for my videos today. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment down below, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to ring the bell to get more video from me. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!